I am starting with teas, herbal teas from the African diaspora. So a lot of it is going to be based on my heritage, and I bring to you herbs that I grew up on, and some of those herbs which we would drink for different reasons. I'm really excited about the brand. I'm finishing up 3 products on the line right now, and I'm hoping to get that out really soon. So look out for Tsente. It's just tsente.com. The website is not up yet, but it will be up soon, or at least a page. But there will be an Etsy account, and you can always contact me directly if you want to try my tea. And it's called Tsente Afro Herbs and Teas for now. I really want to bring Africa and the African diaspora to the world, right? Because the narratives are just not that great. And I believe that I have a rich culture. I believe that I am blessed because of where I grew up, and I'm also blessed because of where I live. And I have this opportunity to bridge my childhood with my adulthood, and the place that I live today and the place that I grew up, and just the experiences that people like me have gone through their teas and through the herbs, and eventually maybe hair products and oils, right? So I'm excited about the line, and I look forward to sharing more with you.